Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So it's actually Thursday and we haven't had any orders all week, so I'm literally starting this video Thursday. So we're probably going to end up doing this for 2 weeks like I did a couple of weeks ago when the holidays were rolling around, just because who knows, I might not get sales on Friday or Saturday. I'm constantly uploading some product up on eBay and Mercari, so hopefully it'll bite. But anyways, so that is probably what we're going to be doing. But today we have one order, and I actually just listed this yesterday and it sold. Now I don't know like the official name for it, but it's actually this 21 piece set of silverware. I have spoons, knives, I have fork. Look at the little pattern. The pattern's like really pretty. And I've actually acquired this maybe a couple of months ago from a family member. And I was trying to decide if I wanted to keep it or not, but I decided to sell it. And it's a 21 piece set, which if I can lift it up, I will show you guys, but I don't want it all, it's going to tip over, so I'm not going to show you guys. But as you can see, it's really pretty, and it's stainless steel. It's really nice. It's very heavy, but it's from the 1970s. It is, I'm trying to read it, is a 1970s interior Flores pattern stainless steel silverware. I'll just put this like somewhere on the screen so you'll know what I'm saying. Let me, here, I'm going to turn it around just so y'all can read it. So anyways, so that is the first thing that sold today, this whole week. I understand that we just got done with the holidays and everything, so I'm not stressing about it. Hopefully it will pick up this month. I do go on vacation, so I won't be filling any orders for a whole week. We actually go on vacation in about 2 weeks on the 15th. So I'm super excited about that, to have a break, but hopefully some sales will come in before then. But anyways, that is it for Thursday, and I will see you guys on the next sale. Hey guys, so it is Friday, so happy weekend. The weekend is upon us and I am so excited to just relax and not think about work. I'm coming on here because we did get one order in from eBay, and it is on this grayish looking horse. It is Wells Fargo horse. Now I have been with Wells Fargo for a very long time, until recently when I switched over, and I have never once knew that they had plushes. And this is actually a 2016 plush, which I did not know. I have 3 of them. I have a gray one, I have a black one, and I think like a brownish looking one. And I just sold the gray one and I sold the brownish looking one already a couple of months back. So the only thing left that I have is the black one. But I picked these up at a yard sale, probably, I want to say maybe about June or July. And I picked them up for literally 25 cents. And I posted it for $16 plus shipping. And then I got an offer for $12, and then, or maybe it was like $10 or so. I can't remember because it was late at night when I got it. But I counter offered for $13 and they did accept it. And so yeah, I'm going to put this in a clear bag and then a poly mailer, and it should be less than a pound, and then I'll ship it off this weekend. But anyway, so that is it for the first sale on Friday. Probably not going to have any sales. I did send out some more offers, and then I am going to be posting some more stuff this weekend. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great weekend, and I will see you guys on the next sale. Hey guys, so it is Saturday, and I'm coming on here because we actually have 2 sales from eBay, and I just wanted to show you guys what we sold and how much it was and everything. So the first one is actually this Mighty Morphin Power Rangers is the yellow Ranger. And this I actually got probably earlier last year in 2022. Can't believe I'm saying last year. But anyways, so I put this up on eBay for $12, and then I got an offer for $8 this morning, and it's, you know, it's been on here forever, so I just decided that I was just going to accept the offer. And it's actually going to go to Puerto Rico, which is pretty awesome. I have sold in Puerto Rico before, so this is probably like my third or so selling to be shipped to Puerto Rico, and I'm super excited about it. So that, yeah, so this sold, I don't remember how much I got this for. I think around $4 or so, maybe less than $4. But I sold this for $8, and then the shipping is going to be less than $5, and the buyer is going to be paying for that. So that is my first sale for Saturday. And then the next one, I am super excited. It is actually this 3-plate Sawyer plates, and look how pretty they are. They're light blue. It has very white detail, and this brand is Wedgwood, which Wedgwood is so pretty. I've never come across Wedgwood. I always wanted to buy it. I found this in Florida when I went to the antique shop, and they were actually, I think they were a percentage off, and I actually only paid, I have 3 of these exactly the same, and I only paid $8. I think $8, maybe like less. No, actually, I think it was like $3. I'm gonna have to like go back on my books and everything, but I think it's $3 because they were in a section where it says final sale or something like that. And I want to say it was $3 when I bought this. But yeah, are they so pretty, you guys? And I was very shocked at the price because there's no like cracks or scratches or anything. Like, they are beautiful. I would love to keep these, but I have no idea where I would put this at. But this sold for $18. It was up for $25, I think, and then I just dropped it to $18, and they accepted it. So, and they're going to be paying for shipping, which I think when I looked, the buyer paid $11 and so cents for shipping. So this is going to get packaged very well because I do not want it to break, because this is very precious. Well, all my glasses are very precious, and I try my best to wrap them as much as possible. But yeah, so $3 turned into $18. But anyways, I'm super excited about those 2 sales. I think I'm still going to roll the clips that I have been making, because we only had our first sale on Thursday. I think I'm gonna still roll it over till next week, and see if we have any sales then. And that might be a thing that we're gonna do, maybe post this video every 2 weeks instead of every week, but we'll see. But anyways, so I will see you guys on the next sale. Good morning, everybody. So it is early Sunday, and I wanted to come on here because we did get a sale on Saturday, but we are still going to roll over to next week. So we'll do 2 weeks of what sold on eBay and Mercari. So what sold on eBay is something that's been on my shelf forever. I feel like a lot of my stuff that's been selling has been posted early in like 2022, like March, April, like that area. So I'm super excited to start getting rid of some of that stuff. But so what sold was this really pretty red vase. It is a ribbon twisted. It has bubbles on it. And I got this at the Goodwill. I think I paid maybe $7.99 for it. I know it was a little pricey, which is fine. I listed this at $45, and it would be almost a year. I want to say I posted this in February, so it would be almost a year since I posted this. I have been sending offers here and there, whoever likes it or is watching it. And then one of them watched it, and then I sent an offer for $32 plus shipping, and they accepted it. So that's really good for us. And I'm gonna have to package this really well because I'm afraid, because this is so like thin right here. I don't want it to chip or anything, and it's really pretty. So yeah, so this $7.99 turned into $32 plus shipping, and I'm gonna package this up, and it's gonna go to the post office today on Sunday, because we have like this big blue drop-off box, so it'll fit in there. But anyways, so that is it, and I will see you guys on the next sale. Hey guys, so it is Monday and we are coming on here because we have one item that's sold on eBay. Don't mind my hair, like I literally just got out of the shower. I came home from the gym, went straight to the shower, and now my hair is a hot mess, which usually I film when my hair is messy. But anyway, so this first item, well actually there's only one item, sorry to burst your bubble. So this one is a Detroit Lion cap. It's blue. It is the NFL brand. It's also Reebok. It is also a, let's see, it's a flex fit, I believe. Yep, flex fit. And this is a size small, medium. And I actually had this for quite a while, but I literally just listed it because I was trying to wait to see if I wanted to buy a mannequin for whenever I try to upload hats or anything, because I think it would be better. But I was like, I got to get something up. And I posted 3 things yesterday and they were all hats, and I think it's like a makeup palette. But this one sold. I actually picked this up at a yard sale for $2 and I listed it for $10.80, and it literally sold within an hour or so, which is crazy. I didn't know Detroit Lions was that popular. I mean, it's an NFL brand, but I'm a Saints person. But anyways, so I picked this up for $2 and it sold for $10.80 plus shipping, which shipping is going to be less than $5. And yeah, so I actually like this color because my favorite color is blue. But yeah, I should have just listed this earlier than, 6 months later. But anyway, so that is it for this sale, and I will see you guys on the next sale. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday and we have 2 orders that are going to be going out. It's been a good day, a little stressful, but I am super glad to be home and super glad to be packaging these items to be shipped out tomorrow in the post office. But the first item we sold is this puppy dog. So I probably have about maybe $1 into this, and somebody sent me an offer for $5. They sent me an offer for $4 and I changed it and counter offered for $5. I think I had this for $7 and they accepted it, and then they will be paying for shipping, which shipping should be around $5 also. So that is a good deal for us. And he's so cute. He is Build-A-Bear. Did I say that? Where's his little paw? So he is Build-A-Bear right here. But yeah, he is super cute and he's super fluffy too. But yeah, so that is the first item that sold. And then the next item, this item actually I've had for a very long time, probably around June or July. I did not have inventory on when this was posted, but it's about June or July is when it was posted. So it's been a minute. And then this one is the one that I just posted probably about a week or 2 ago. And it is this Easter candle holder. It actually is really pretty. It is from Cracker Barrel, and I put this for $8 and it was accepted. No counter offer, no offer submitted. This is just the regular price of what I listed it as. It's like in perfect condition, and I got this at the Goodwill, which I thought there's gonna be like a chip or something in the butterfly, but look how pretty it is. Here's the bottom, here's a little butterfly, and look, it's like perfect, like never been used or anything. So like I said, I listed it for $8 and somebody bought it. And yeah, so that is the 2 items that got sent in that I'm going to ship out, and I am just super excited. But anyways, I will see you guys on the next sale, which we have 2 more days before I go on vacation, and I'll be gone for a whole week. No orders. I will be accepting some orders if it comes through, but I will not package them till I come back in like 5 days from Charleston. But anyways, that's it, and I will see you guys on the next sale. Bye. Hey guys, so it is Friday. It's actually Friday morning, about 7 a.m. or maybe 8. It's probably 8 now. I am officially on a vacation, and my birthday is tomorrow, and we leave for Charleston on Sunday, and I am super excited. So I'm trying to get these orders out. I'm probably going to still accept orders while I am out because I'm only going to be in Charleston for 4 days, and I can just ship it whenever I come home, which is no problem. So the first 2 items, well, actually there's only 2 items today so far because it is Friday. It's very early in the morning, like I said. The first one that's sold is this really pretty candy dish. It does have some rust to it. It's very old. And I listed this, I believe, for $9, and then I just accepted an offer for $7 because this has been on my eBay forever. Probably about, I want to say February or March. It's been forever, and this is a bad sale, you guys, because I paid $5.99 for this, and it sold for $7. Buyer is paying for shipping, but still, that's bad, right? Will not pick up anything like that anymore. And it's pretty heavy, so it's going to cost probably around $8 or so for priority mail, and because it's over a pound. The next thing that's sold, I just listed this, and I've had this for a while, but I've never listed it. It is the V-Tech accessory handset with caller ID and call waiting. Brand new in the box, never used. I have no idea how much I paid for it, but I listed this for $24.50, and then somebody sent me an offer for $19.50, and I was like, that's a great deal, because I think I paid maybe around $5 or $6 for this, and I was like, sure, why not? And I accepted it, so $19.50 plus $5.50, so he's paying $25 already. But yeah, so this V-Tech, brand new in the box, still has like the little cover on the screen that you just peel off. It still has that. Everything's wrapped nicely and everything. So those are the 2 items that are going to be shipped out today. I am actually going to package them up real quick before I head out to my brunch date with one of my friends. And yeah, so hopefully we'll get some more orders in. And I'm probably going to list some items before I leave on Sunday. So probably today is when I'm going to list the items. But anyways, I will see you guys on the next sale.